I'm gonna touch the radiator because I'm scared. Ow, it shocked me. I'm gonna touch it again because I'm so scared. Ow! So hello everybody, this is Jackie Codes and welcome to our workshop. I have like a bunch of tools. This is the 4000D airflow. What does the D stand for? I don't know. Rogue Strix X570F Gaming Corsair TX 850M. The graphics card. I don't have any strap-ons, guys, sorry. Oh, damn. 5900X. Really nice. 2 terabytes. We're gonna download 2 16GB RAMs. And we have our CPU cooler. 4 terabytes of hard drive. Yeah, it's really big. That's what she said. Things on your desk are worth more than my life. True. Can you send me a link to download Windows? Wow. This is a beautiful motherboard. Okay. We don't read instructions here. Oh my god, are there stickers? Oh, look at these stickers. Oh, and I can hang this on my door. Like, do not enter. I'm with my motherboard. I need a floppy disk? Nah. Why don't they have fatherboards? Like, I just touch this and I'll be grounded. So we're gonna put the PS2 first. Oh my god, it's American. Oh yeah, these cables are 6. God, yeah. Oh, it came out! Bam, 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 bam. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Yo, give me this. Joink it. Yeah! That's how we do it. Ooh, we got a little strippity straps. Back to the manual. But there's so many pages in this manual. Oh, that's because there's different languages. Just use a laptop. Hell no. Yeah, we got some Dr. Pepper here. Look at this beauty. I am so scared. I'm gonna touch the radiator because I'm scared. Ow, it shocked me. I'm gonna touch it again because I'm so scared. Ow! Oh my god! Did you hear that? Should I use a wooden chair? The triangle is here. Oh my god. It just slid right in. Yeah, baby, magnetism. Was it supposed to like click? And now it's good. Now where did the screw go? Ah! Oh, it's here. Yeah. Ah! Can you go clickety click? Yes. Come on, boy. Yeah, baby. Oh, big boy. This is so big. That's what she said. Oh my god. Do you see this? I'd put the washer above it. Oh, shoot. Thermal paste time. Oh my god. This thermal paste is so stringy. I can admit when I'm wrong. Why are the arrows pointing in this direction? I'm wrong. I'm wrong, guys. What the freak is this? Oh shoot. 6, 9. I lost count. Ooh, did you guys hear that? I cracked my back. Oh my god, did you hear that crack? I've been building this PC for the last 9 years. This is the PC build and stream, if you know what I mean. Holy mother of God. Yeah, baby. Look at that beast. Hell yeah. Hallelujah. That was not graceful. My beautiful baby. Woo! Come on. I want to curse, but I can't. I unplugged it! I hate you! So I just need to press the button? Light it up! Oh my god! Oh my god! The BIOS is working! It's working, guys. We did it! Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for helping. Goodbye, everybody.